Hi, this is Calvin from Hill Country Building and Renovation. This is my second video on this pour this morning. We started at 4 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, we have some lights up so we can see what we're doing. This is a steel building, and there's about 125 yards in this pour. So as you can see, we have our boom pump truck here putting the concrete where we need it. And so we have the concrete trucks that back in down here. They empty their load into the hopper, and then it gets pumped out over to the slab. So you can see that part of this slab has already been bull floated. It's kind of smooth. And so there's actually 3 different sections to this building. We have the main building, the shop on the inside, and then on the 2 sides, the right side, the left side, are going to be what's called an overhang. They have steel columns that'll hold up the roof, but no walls. So just kind of an open area to park the tractor, the RV, and things like that. So anyways, we like pouring concrete. It's a lot of work to get here. On the back side of this building is the slab is off the ground about 4 feet. Because of the slope of the property here in the Texas Hill Country, there's a lot of sloping property and sloping projects that we do. And of course you got to have a level slab. So here's the back side. You can see all the kickers that we have stabilizing the forms. So this is off the ground quite a ways. So what they do is they do this in sections. They pour it, they bull float it to kind of push the rocks down. So you got the concrete cream on the top that they can finish, so it's nice and smooth. This section here that they're working on is will be an overhang. This is where the RV will be, and this drain pipe here is for the RV dump. So he'll be able to back his trailer in here and dump his sewer tanks right at home. So the water actually comes from this tank. This is a rainwater collection tank. So all the water that goes into his gutters in the main house up there that direction comes down into this tank, and then it's pumped out of the tank back to the house where it has sterilization equipment so that the water is clean and pure. And the nice part about that is that, well, it doesn't cost anything for the water. And Texas Hill Country has really bad hard water in the wells. So there's no hard water in rainwater. So that's a very nice feature. So as you can see here, there's a curb right here because the main part of the shop is sloped. And in this section here where there will be an overhang, a steel roof overhang, is sloped as well. So anyways, that's kind of how this is put together. So after they get this poured, take all the forms off and then backfill and smooth everything out. So this is kind of a big deal today. Lots of things happening. But this is the kind of stuff we do. We do difficult and technical projects. Very accustomed to doing that. We get all the engineering done that we need to make it a quality project. It'll last a long time. So you can see our project highlights on our website, which is www.hcbrtexas.com. And what's your next awesome project, and how can we help you out with that?